What's up, everybody? Welcome to the second installment of our chapter reveal series, where I give you a little sneak peek into the brand new book, The Essential Pandeiro Method, which is going to be available worldwide on June 1st. Okay, last week we covered the whole exterior of the book and the introduction chapter and all the people involved making it the book. This week we're going to give you a sneak peek into the very first chapter of the book, the basics. Okay, so we're talking about the basics. So if you're just starting to play the pandeiro, this is the best place for you to start, is this very first chapter, because we talk about getting a grip, how to hold the pandeiro, proper technique, all of these things which are very, very important for beginners and people who are just trying to get over a hump as well. Maybe you're stuck somewhere. This is a perfect chapter. How to hold the pandeiro, getting a grip. We talk about zone 1 of the pandeiro, how to add and hold your strong hand on the drum, and we go through some really cool exercises. Getting an even sound, that's really important on the drum. And remember, every time you see that icon right there, that means that is a video in your free online course that comes with the book when you buy the book. All right, we got a lot of exercises here, developing dexterity, all these exercises that are designed, accent exercises and everything that are designed to help you develop a really strong, solid foundation on the pandeiro before you move further with anything, before you start playing grooves or anything. This technique, the grid technique, understanding the zones, understanding posture is very important for the pandeiro before you move forward. And that's what chapter 1 is exploring, is getting a grip and the basic techniques of the pandeiro. All right, so that's our chapter reveal video for this week. Stay tuned. We'll have another reveal next week, and I'll see you in the next video.